Hi guys. Um, if you're having problem with your furnace, like for example your flame is short circuiting, meaning it will run for about 15 seconds, and the flame will shut down. You're gonna have to first you're gonna have to look down below here in the control for the code. So in my situation, I have code 3. The LED lights on my control board over there, it's blinking 3 times, which tells me that I have problem with the pressure switch. So there's my pressure switch there. I have the low and the high, and what actually was happening is my inducer motor is not running at full speed, and that's why I'm not having a good vacuum on those 2 pressure switches. So my flame will turn on, and it will be on for about 15 seconds, and it will shut down because it's detecting that I do not have a good vacuum because my inducer motor is not running at full speed. So I replaced my inducer motor. This is the old one, and what I found out from the old inducer motor, I have a burn winding inside, and that's why my motor is, when you touch it, it's kind of hot. The surface is kind of hot, and it smells like something's got burned. And I used my flashlight to take a look inside, and I found out that the part of the windings got burned, and that's why my inducer motor is not running at full speed, and it's shutting down my my furnace for protection. So this is the old one, and this is the new one, and it costs about $250. You can buy it from Parts Depot or any heating or air conditioning store. And I put the new one there, and we can try it right now, see what it does. Here you go. Wait a minute, the power's up. Let's turn on the power supply. There you go. Right now it's running at high speed on first stage, and then the vacuum switch, high pressure switch, detected it, and then it's now running at low speed. And I got a flame over there. There you go. Gas bulbs open. I have flame, and within about 20 seconds my blower will start. There you go, blower's running, everything's working fine. So I'm gonna put back the cover and I have to shut this down. So there you go. If you have a code that says you have a pressure switch problem, first make sure that you have no problem with your inducer motor. This is the one that activates your pressure switch. When this one's running, you have a vacuum inside of your furnace, and that's actually blowing the smoke from inside to this ducting here. So if your motor is not running at high speed and low speed, then obviously you're gonna have problem with your flame. It's gonna run for about 15 seconds, just like what happened to mine, and it shuts down.